Hello people, I figured that I was going to make these vlogs a bit more Christmassy since that is pretty much what the season is all about. And I figured I was going to do so by going through the Winterlicious tag. So let's just get to the questions. Favorite winter nail polish? I have been loving this nail polish, Je T'aime, from H&M since last year. That's when I bought it. It's like all red with like golden sparkles in it and it's just real Christmassy. Favorite winter lip product? I'm gonna go with this, which is Burt's Bees Pomegranate Lip Balm. It is amazing, it tastes delicious, and I'm gonna go with it as my winter lip balm even though I use it all year round. It is really nice, it really helps the lips get out of that like dry state, and it gives your lips a nice red sort of tint. Most worn winter clothing piece? Without doubt, this. It's a knitted yellow sweater, and I have actually by this been referred to the girl with the yellow sweater. So I've been using this a lot. Probably more than I should have. Most worn winter accessory? My hairband. I am just really sucky at accessorizing, so I'm going to go with this. Favorite winter scent? I'm gonna go with carnations. Carnations with oranges, that is just delicious, and it's like Christmas is just in the air. Favorite winter beverage? I would have to go with glögg, which is a Swedish beverage, and it's mulled and spiced wine. You can get it at IKEA. You chop almonds, put it into it, and raisins with that, and it is amazing. All-time favorite Christmas/holiday movie? I don't think that it is a surprise to anybody that Love Actually is my choice when it comes to Christmas movies because it is so good. If you haven't checked it out yet, you have yet to experience living, so you should go see it. Just do it. It's good, I promise. Favorite Christmas holiday song? Just click on my face and you will know. Also, Spirit Fingers. Favorite holiday food/treat? I would have to go with ham, like glazed ham. That stuff with mustard, oh my goodness. That and knäck, which is pretty much sugar cream and golden syrup brought to a boil. When it gets all gooey, you mix chopped almonds into it, and it is it's so good. What is your favorite Christmas decoration this year? I'm going to go with this little heart that you would hang in your Christmas tree, and I'm choosing it because I think it's really pretty and because it's my newest ornament. What is at the top of your wish list? I would say my own camera because right now I'm using my mom and dad's. What are your plans for the holiday this year? I am going to be with family and relatives like every other year, and my one main plan for this year is to plan so that I don't have to stress like the days before Christmas because I hate that and it happens every friggin' year. So that was all for the Winterlicious tag, and I have not been drinking tea today. I've been drinking coffee and hot chocolate, and I felt like that was enough. So I'm gonna drink 2 kinds of tea tomorrow instead. I hope you had a great day today, and I'll see you in my next vlog tomorrow. Bye!